In the given figure, O is the center of circle. Chord AC is equal to 24 centimeter. Chord AB is 7 centimeter. And angle BOD is 90 degree. We have to find the area of shaded region. Let us assume the radius of the given circle as small r. Also, angle CAB will be 90 degree. Why? It is because the angle subtended by diameter on circumference of the circle is always right angle. So because BOC is the diameter, so angle BAC will be 90 degree. Now let us compute the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region will be equal to area of this sector or water circle plus area of this semicircle minus we will subtract the area of this triangle CAB. This is a right angle triangle. So the formula for area of sector is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied with pi times square of radius. So r is unknown to us. Likewise, area of semicircle will be half pi r square. And finally, we will subtract area of triangle, which is half times base times its altitude. So here we can take base as AB and altitude as AC. Now in order to compute the area of shaded region, first of all we must have the value of small r. For that, let us analyze triangle BAC. Here BC will be the diameter, which will be twice the radius, and the remaining other two legs are given. So AB is 7 and AC is 24. We will apply Pythagorean theorem here. So we will get BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now in place of BC, we can substitute 2 times small r. So we will get 2r whole squared equals 24 square plus 7 square. On solving this, we will get the value of r as 25 upon 2 or 12.5 centimeter. Now after finding the value of radius, we can substitute it here. So this will be central angle is 90 degrees, so 90 upon 360 times we can substitute 3.14 in place of pi multiplied with 12.5 squared. Likewise, it will be plus half times 3.14 multiplied with 12.5 squared minus we are given the value of AB as 7 and AC as 24. So on solving the first term, we will get 122.65. Second term will give us 245.31 and the last term area of triangle will be 84. On solving this, finally we will get area of shaded region as 283.96 centimeter square. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.